Hello, my name is Adrian. I'm at the YAHAM booth today and we're at InfoComm 2026. Right next to me right here, we have the M2 advertising machine, and this is at about 4,000 nits of brightness and at 1.9 pixel pitch. Some of the features that this comes with is a touch screen, as we can see right here. Touch, 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 and you can pause it, you can play it, and we can make this with GOB or SMD as well. It's made for outdoor or indoor, maybe bus stations, malls, you name it. You can put this on here. And it also comes in with a second side to it. So for more information on this product, please visit us at yaham.com, YAHAM.com.